The number is 72,000. How many factors of n are multiple of 120 but not of 480? I know 72,000, 120, this is 600. That is 72,000 will come like this. The other number is, if you are taking 480, I know it is 150 more which is left inside. Yes, 12 fours are, so 150 is there. So I know it is 120 is there. Already it is 2 cube into 5 square into 3 to the power 1. If you look at this one number, this is the same number. 480 is already there. It is 2 cube into 5 square. Now it is 15. 5, this is 30 into 5. 30 is 2. 5 square into 3. Fine. So 5 square is there, 3 is there, 2 to the power of 1 is there only. What is the number of factors of this? It is 4. This is 3. This is 2. 24 factors are there. Did you understand? 120 into 12 6 are 72 and 3 zeros are coming there. I know 480 is 4 times of it. If you multiply it by 4, you will divide it by 4, which is 150. So it is 25 3s are 75 into 2 is 150. So what I can do is I can write the number of factors of this is 2, this is 3, this is 2. So that is 12 factors are coming there. The gap between them will come out to be 24 factors minus 12 factors will come out to be 12 factors.